So you're thinking about buying a home in San Diego. It's really important to understand all the offerings and services that your agent's going to do for you. Now, most people think that all of us agents do the exact same thing, but we actually all bring a unique set of offerings and value for you. Here at Whissel Realty Group, we really go above and beyond to give you that VIP service. And I'm going to go through a few things that we do that really sets us apart from all the other agents here in San Diego. First up, love it or leave it. What this means is within the first year of living in your home, if for whatever reason you're not happy with it, we're going to sell it for you with waiving all of our selling fees. Next up on the list is a free home warranty. I'm going to make sure that when you buy a home with us, you have a home warranty on your house so that if anything goes wrong within the first year, whether it's electrical, plumbing, the hot water heater goes out, you're not out tens of thousands of dollars and stressing about it. You'll have a home warranty that you can just call the plan, they're going to send a serviceman out, pay a small fee, and they're going to take care of everything for you, giving you peace of mind and saving you tens of thousands of dollars. And these policies can range from anywhere from $500 to $1,000, but we've got that taken care of for our VIP buyers. Third on the list is a free moving truck. When you buy a home through Whissel Realty as one of our VIP buyers, you'll have access to our trucks for lifetime. Now you don't have to deal with going down to U-Haul, see locations, paying for that $49.99 plus the add-on for the dollies and the blankets. You'll have access to a moving truck. Just call us 48 hours in advance. We'll have the truck ready for you with blankets and dollies included. Again, saving you hundreds of dollars and a lot of time and stress. Did you know that when you're buying a home that you have to pay for the appraisal up front? That could cost you anywhere from $500, $600, up to $1,000, sometimes even more. Well, when you're one of our VIP buyers, you also have access to our preferred lenders, and those lenders are covering the cost of your appraisal, saving you once again $500 and up. Next up on the list is our 24/7 home search. So I know that there are lots of websites out there that we all use, Zillow, Realtor, Redfin. While those sites are available to everybody, the downside is they're not always up to date, sometimes being a day or two behind, so you may fall in love with a house that's already gone into escrow. With our home search engine, it's updated every 15 minutes, so you're having real-time data. But we're not stopping there. Next up on the list is our off-market listings. We want to make sure that you know about all the homes for sale, not just the ones that are on the MLS. This means that you have access to any properties that are not being put on the public market. Now, why would someone do this? Well, there are personal reasons. Maybe they don't want their neighbors to know. Maybe there's a life event, a divorce, a death. Those homes will never be seen on Zillow, but you will be notified of those homes, and that gives you an advantage to be able to get a great price and a great deal for you. Next up is strategic negotiations. You need to have an agent that is not only well-versed in real estate, but is going to be able to negotiate the best price and best terms for you when you find that perfect home. At Whissel Realty, we've been #1 in San Diego County for 7 years. And what that means is that we've done over 3,000 transactions. That is 3,000 homes we have negotiated successfully for our buyers and sellers. And this is the negotiating power you get when you're working with us. Last but not least, cancel anytime. If for whatever reason you decide that it's not a good time to buy or you don't want to work with me anymore, we're going to cancel the VIP agreement, shake hands, and part ways, no harm, no foul. For more information about the VIP program, call or text the number below. We're always adding to our program, wanting to make sure that we're truly going above and beyond to provide you the best possible experience when buying a home.